In this demonstration, we'll see how we can deploy a package using the Deploy Software Wizard. So we've come to the Software Library workspace, we've come to Packages under Application Management, we've come to Office Viewers, and what we want to do is distribute a PowerPoint viewer. So we'll right click at this point. What we're going to do is deploy. That'll bring us into a wizard. So we're happy that we're deploying PowerPoint viewer. We need to deploy it to a collection. We're going to do it to a collection of devices. So we're going to go for all Windows 8.1 workstations and select OK. Not going to bother putting in any comments, not going to bother using default distribution port groups associated with this collection. We're actually going to specify some. So we'll select Next. We're happy that we're going to go out to the London DP's distribution group, which contains the two servers, and we'll select Next. Then what we'll do here is we'll make sure it is an install. We will make sure it is required. We're not bothered about sending wake-up packets, and we're not distributing out to the internet. So we'll select Next. What we now need to do is we just now need to create a schedule. So all we're going to do is we're just going to select the New button. That'll bring us into our Schedule Assignment dialog box. And what we're going to do is we're going to sign it immediately after this event, and the event that we're going to go for is we are going to go for ours as soon as possible. But as you can see here, we can do it log on or log off as well, and we'll select OK. Then we'll select our Next button. On the User Experience tab, as you can see, we can allow users to run the program independently of assignments. What we can do as well, when the scheduled assignment time is reached, allow the following activities to be performed outside the maintenance window, so software installation, system restart, and down at the bottom here as well, we've got commit changes at deadline or during a maintenance window will require restart. So we'll leave that tick box turned on. We're not going to bother modifying any of the default settings. For our distribution points, so what we're going to do here is we'll just have a look at our deployment options. So download content from distribution point and run locally. Yep, we're happy with that. And under deployment options, we're not going to run the program. We will allow the clients to share the content with other clients though in the same subnet. And we'll select Next. Just on the summary page, have a read through that. We're happy with all of that and select Next. Tick is good. Means we're successful, so we'll select Close. Next thing we need to do here is we need to just distribute the software. Now what we could do is we could on the client machine just wait for the client policies to be downloaded, but what we're going to do at this point here is we're going to force this through. So I've come into Control Panel, I've gone to System and Security, I've come for my Configuration Manager properties, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to go to the Actions tab. And on the Actions tab, what we want to do is we just want to right click on our machine, policy and retrieval, and we want to run this now. We'll select OK. It's saying it'll take several minutes to finish, so what we'll do is we'll just pause the presentation, wait for a couple of minutes, and then return back. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes. So what I've done here is I've come back to my Config Manager console. We'll come to our monitoring tab, and within our monitoring tab, what we want to have a look at here is we just want to look at the deployment status of our Office viewers. So what we can see here successfully, we've deployed LonCL1, that's because LonCL1 is turned on. If we look at in progress, no information. If we look at errors, no information. Requirements not met, again, no information. And under unknown, what we get is we've still got an unknown installation pushing out a LonCL2. That's purely because LonCL2 is not turned on, so we can't push the software out. And that's the end of this demonstration of managing software deployment. Thank you.